This is a tutorial for coloring your cube parts. Click on default. You can see there are different options for textures and colors, and just pick one, or you can click on the color wheel and you can see there are many options. So pick one, double click. It will give you the appearance editor window. It takes a couple of minutes to load up everything, so just wait. And from the wall paint color, click on the arrow, edit color, and choose your color. OK. And apply. And then your color will be the first one on the top. And you can rename the color. And that's it. Have fun.